Hi everyone, welcome back to another techie YouTube video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your Wi-Fi passwords. You can check for Wi-Fi password which is connected to your PC. But what I'm going to show you today is to get all the password which you have connected before, and if you have connected in the hotel or anywhere, it's saved in your PC. So you can retrieve it by doing these steps. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to go into start and type CMD, then right click it and run it as administrator. And here press yes. Now you can see the command prompt with administrator access. Okay, now you can check all the Wi-Fi profiles in your system by this command. I will copy and paste it here, and I will put this into video description, so you can copy and paste it here. Once you paste it this command, press enter. Now you can see all the Wi-Fi connections we have connected to our machine. So I have like 6 Wi-Fi's which I have connected it before, so it's showing in here. Okay, now we need to get all the password from these Wi-Fi connections, right? So what you need to do is, I'll put that command also in the description. You just need to right click and copy paste it. I'm gonna clear this one and I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna press enter. As you can see, it says interface profile Bunsey fiber is saved in C Wi-Fi Bunsey fiber XML file. So what we have done is we have get all the Wi-Fi information from all the Wi-Fi profiles and save it into C drive. So there will be 6 files we can go in and check, because we have 6 profiles in our system. So I'm gonna minimize it. I'm gonna go to my computer and go to C drive, and as you can see, there are 6 XML files to with all the Wi-Fi connections. So okay, I'm gonna go to first one. I'm gonna right click and open with, you can open with WordPad or Notepad. I'm gonna open with Notepad for now. As you can see, I will zoom it a bit so you can see it better. In here, all you need to, there are all the information which related to Wi-Fi connection, like security authentications and SSIDs and everything. But in this video, we are gonna focus on this key material section, which is in shared key. Inside that, there's a key material. Inside these 2 key material section, you can find the password. So this is the password of this Wi-Fi connection, so you can see it here. Okay, I'm gonna go to another one. Let's go to this one. Sorry, I'm gonna open with Notepad, and I'm gonna zoom it a bit. Okay, so here you can see the password is Masha is the best. So as you can see, you can get all the Wi-Fi password from here. So that's a really good way to get all the Wi-Fi password very easily and export it into your C drive. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is helpful for you to find out your Wi-Fi password, like all Wi-Fi password. So see you next time with another really awesome video. Subscribe to this channel and click on like button if you like this video. and comment it if you have any questions or anything. Okay, see you next time with another video. Bye bye.